Hi everyone, I am Nimai Godai. Today we are gonna discuss a question on apoptosis, and this question has been taken from the CSIR Net June 2013. So the question says cells undergo apoptosis by two distinct and interconnected pathways, extrinsic and intrinsic. Extrinsic pathway is activated by extracellular ligand binding to cell surface death receptors. Whenever an apoptotic stimulus activates intrinsic pathway, the pro-apoptotic Bax and Bach proteins become activated and induce the release of cytochrome C from the mitochondria, leading to cascade activation resulting in apoptosis. In cell A, cytochrome C is introduced by microinjection, whereas in cell B, cytochrome C is introduced by microinjection, but Bax and Bach are inactivated. What will be the most appropriate apoptotic response type in both cells? So guys, here the question is lengthy, but the actual question begins from the in cell A cytochrome C. Okay, from here the actual question begins, and first part of the question explains about the apoptotic pathways, that is extrinsic and intrinsic. In this question, the question has been asked that if cytochrome C is introduced in a cell by microinjection, then what will be the effect? What will be the percentage of apoptosis? So there are two cells A and B. In cell A only cytochrome C has been introduced, but in the cell B cytochrome C is introduced. Along with that, Bax and Bach are inactivated, and we know that Bax and Bach form the channel during apoptosis in order to exit for the cytochrome C from the intermembrane space to the cytoplasm in order to begin the caspase activation. So if already the cytochrome C is being introduced in the cytoplasm, then there is no need of Bax and Bach, okay, to form the channel, because they were doing the same thing as we have done already. So I think the option A would be the correct answer, because both the cell will show the high percentage of cell, I mean same apoptosis percentage, because cytochrome C is there in the cytoplasm and Bach are involved before cytochrome C release. Okay, they do not have any role after the release of cytochrome C. So the answer would be option A.